Alright, first time I got it on my actual camera. Huh. Why, hello there, Key West. Oh, it's right there. Bayside and Gulfside from Craig Heath to west end of 7 Mile Bridge. Florida Bay, including Barn Sound, Blackwater Sound, and Buttonwood Sound. First time catching it on my regular camera. Uh-oh. They got a marine warning. Should go off. Should hold it. They just issued a marine warning. Florida Bay, including Barnes, Blackwater, and Buttonwood Sound marine warning. Here we go. What? What? Wait. Are you serious? Hey, is this gonna be a double header for me? WWG 92 is getting a double header. Yep, WWG 92 got a double header. To an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Collier, Florida.
Well, I guess the next day, why when I was catching Florida Bay SMW, until then, see, look at that. Why I was catching the Florida Bay SMW, and then somehow NFL decided to interrupt me with a Collier County SPR. Jeez, that came out of nowhere. Dude, that just came out of nowhere, like literally. Like, seriously. It's Collier in mainland Monroe. And WWG 92 just got a doubleheader. Right after I caught the Key West Marine warning. Before NFL decided to tone it. The SVR. Oh my god!